Hello, you guys. So I'm back again with another unboxing. I actually didn't plan on doing this. Well, I didn't plan on actually making this purchase, but it was on sale. And it was like really offered at a really good deal. So I ended up getting it and it arrived very quickly. So I'm just gonna unbox it. As I normally would. Plus with the camera, I normally don't record myself unpacking things, but yeah. So I probably, would have shown this with my other reviews anyway. So I'm just gonna record this as an unboxing video. Okay, so we've opened the box. And again, it was raining today. I'm glad nothing got wet. This is packed differently, I think, than the last time I purchased this, or an item like this from this retailer. So it's from Bloomingdale's. Just a sec. Okay, I'm not entirely thrilled that they just wrapped a giant piece of paper around. Sure, that's efficient, but they've packed, like less, whatever, not delicate, but like they've packed less expensive items much better. Excuse me, much better. If you've seen some of my unboxings from Bloomingdale's, or actually maybe I don't show much of that. I get like clothes and stuff and I don't really show those unboxings. Anyway, so here we go. It's in a bag. One sec. Okay. This is not packed very, I don't know, carefully, deliberately, or I'm sure they deliberately wrapped that piece of paper around, but, it's almost like they just threw it in the box. Anyway, I got a new MCM bag, and this is a tote. I wasn't really in the market for, I haven't been in the market for totes lately, but, MCM is actually having a really good, summer clearance sale. Some things are up to 50% off. But I got this from, Bloomingdale's actually, because MCM shipping takes forever, or it did. So I have another unboxing video that I just need to edit and show you. I've had it for months, but it took like maybe more than a month to get that other bag. But this one came in less than 3 days probably, because I ordered it from Bloomingdale's. So anyway, it's a tote, but this caught my eye because it is so unique to me. I don't know, maybe 10 people in your neighborhood have it, but the faded kind of gold effect and the fact that it's not, and the way Bloomingdale's package this bag for shipping leaves a lot to be desired, in my opinion. It wasn't very classily done, which opening the box is part of the experience for me. I enjoy the presentation and all that. Plus, just practically, like, you literally wrapped a sheet of paper around it and threw it in a box and were like, here you go. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and here's the front pocket. I hid the price tag, but I can tell you how much it costs. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I'm gonna open the zipper compartment. Okay, I was about to be super disappointed. And by the way, I really don't enjoy this plastic on the handles thing. The handles are kind of like misshapen a little bit. But whatever. I was about to be super disappointed because I didn't think it came with the dust bag, but as you can see, the dust bag is on the outside. Once I get done filming, I'm gonna put the stuffing back in the bag. It had an inflatable pillow, and some paper. Actually, I think I'm just gonna switch to, I'm gonna put the inflatable pillow, like the plastic pillow it came with, the packing pillow. I'll grab it for you. This thing here, you probably can't see, the inflatable plastic. I'm gonna keep that, put it back in the bag, and then I have some more from other things, and I'm gonna stuff the bag to keep it shaped that way. And then I'm going to put that into this dust bag that it came with. And I'm going to leave it until I use it. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I know some people like to use their nice totes as gym bags and things like that. This probably isn't big enough for a gym bag. Plus, I ordered some gym bags for my own brand that I'm going to be testing out. They're really cool. They have a separate shoe compartment. I'm really leery about shoes touching things, so I'm excited to get those when they arrive. But anyway, let's check out the compartments. So this is like a large central compartment, as tote bags tend to have. It's got a top zipper, as you can see. And MCM's gold tone hardware is generally, I think, 24 karat gold plated, or maybe it's 14. But it's usually plated with real gold, which actually sets it apart from some of the more expensive higher end brands. And this one is no exception. Okay, so yeah, we've got like a zipper pocket here. You've got, whoa, lighting. Also, my battery's going out. Can you see this? Yeah. Well, barely. Like, it's a dark hole, a black hole. But yeah, you've got your slip pockets here. There's like a card holder, a tiny one for like an ID or something. Like if you're running to meetings, you need to get in and out of buildings and things like that. Like here in Manhattan, they take your ID, you know, or they check it or whatever. And you've got, yeah, so I apologize if you can't see this because it's so dark in here. You've got 2 larger slip pockets and then a smaller one for a card or something that you need to access quickly. So overall, I really like this bag. I like the concept. I like the idea. Not a fan of how it was packaged, but that's a complaint for something else probably. Yeah, so I had been debating, I had been wanting another bag, and this one, I don't know that this one satisfies the urge that I've been having to get another bag, but I'm very pleased with this purchase, especially for the deal I got on it. I do like MCM. I feel like they're growing as a brand. Now, these big sales they've been having kind of like, I don't know, like, I feel a way about them in terms of like building brand prestige and all that, but you know, they've been trying, and they're gaining in popularity, and you're starting to see them more and more at high profile events and in, you know, whatever, more exclusive circles. I sound really pretentious. I don't mean to come across that way, but I'm speaking in terms of value. I like to buy things that will hold their value a little bit better. Not that that's the only reason I buy something. But anyway, so I'm gonna end this video now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, be well, stay clean, stay safe, stay organized, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.